Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps closing on the application of Tinder. You will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search or you will scrolling down until you find the window of Tinder app. Here in this page we click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you.